Hi guys, so today on my channel, I am going to be doing a video all about cleaning out and organizing my vanity. If you are new to my channel, I would love if you click that little red subscribe button and follow along. This video is a little bit out of the norm for me. I used to actually every single year in January go through, clean out my whole vanity and do a whole video about my vanity and my organization and show you where everything is and how I did it. And I haven't done that in a lot of years. Recently, I asked you guys on Instagram, I am a big organization freak of nature. If I could figure out ways to do videos about organization, I totally would. I love organizing stuff. Closets, vanities, desks, dressers, kitchens, anything. I love organizing things so I know where everything is. With that, I also love determining what is something I want to keep and what needs to hit the trash. So when I asked you guys over on Instagram if you were interested in seeing a video all about me cleaning out my vanity, so many of you were like, yes, yes, yes. So I was in. Another key thing to note before I get into this is about halfway through this whole video, my camera died. My actual T5i that I've had forever died. So this beginning and this end may look different as far as video quality because it is being recorded on my iPhone, but I will get back to getting a new camera very quickly. Now I will say at the beginning of this video, the first couple drawers that I started going through, I didn't realize the camera angle, so bear with me. It does get better as the video goes through, but I'm gonna jump right into it for you guys.
So starting over here, this drawer is all nail polishes and need to be cleaned out. And then these are products that I am testing and one that is almost empty. This drawer is all like powders over here and then bronzers over here. This is now all bronzers, setting powders for under the eyes, and different facial powders, mineral powders. It tends to be highlighters over here and then blushes, but it's really hard to get to the back of it. So there's stuff kind of all over in this one too. This one is now nice and cleaned out through here. This is the only spot that these really fit. So I have some kabukis back through here, and then I put some of the palettes over here. These are all pink blushes, neutral tone blushes, and highlighters. This is my least favorite drawer. I keep just a rag in here. This is my brush roll. This is just a mess. There's just stuff thrown in here everywhere, brushes everywhere. It is just a mess. I'm so excited about this drawer being cleaned out because now I can start playing with new foundations. So these are all brushes that are extras, different types I use. So I have primers, setting sprays, my brush roll, and then beauty blenders, and those are all the foundations I have, guys. That is crazy to me. So this drawer is usually my most used drawer and kind of has all the things I grab for on a more regular basis. This area is the lip products I grab for the most, and then other lip products that I interchange in and out, and eye primers. Over here is my most grabbed for products. They're all Lime Life ones, a couple single eyeshadows, bronzer, and then eyeshadow palettes that I grabbed for a lot. A couple extra of these. And this is just kind of a miscellaneous area. Over here, I have some concealers, some lip balms, things like that. This is all eyebrow products and a pair of glasses. This is eyeliners. And then this is just kind of like miscellaneous, like gadget things. So this is nice and cleaned up now also. Pretty much the same types of things, just much more organized. These are my most used lipsticks, most used glosses, and then lip liners. These are all the more pink shade lip stains. These are more neutral colored lip stains. These are all eye primers. Over here, I have, these are concealers, foundations, powders that I use, bronzers, things, single eyeshadows, more powder. These are actually the foundations. I take that back. My Lime Life foundations, the colors I have, eyeshadows that I grabbed for the most. This is just still an empty area where I can put extra stuff if I need to. My glasses are in there right now. Then over here, I have brow products. This is my brush cleaner just for in between. These are all eyeliners that I use right now, miscellaneous like tools, and then lip products for before I put makeup on. This area has my little face scrubber, my Crest 3D white strips. This is all concealers that I really need to go through because I don't grab for them that often. And then down here is just miscellaneous stuff that needs to be gone through, hair ties, etc. Concealers, I got rid of a whole bunch of them that were not yet being used, but I still have a lot that are different types that I mix and match and play with every once in a while depending on what color I need. A lot of brighteners and under eye primer type products too. So this drawer is lipsticks and lip products and things like that, and then all eyeshadow palettes, mascaras, extra lip liners. I didn't even know that was in there. And lots of lip liners and lip products back through here. So I have a bunch of MAC single shadows. I really need to go through these separately and decide what of these I want and don't want. This one out a lot, got rid of a lot of stuff in here though that was palettes that I don't use. The lipsticks, honestly, I had cleaned out in the fall, so they weren't too bad. Lip liners, eyeliners, I got rid of a lot of glosses, mascaras, brow products, things over here that I didn't use that much. So this looks much better.
I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me and cleaning out my vanity. I hope that it gives some of you the desire to go through and get rid of those products that you're not using anymore, clean it out, and just purge of the things that we don't need. Now, I do know a lot of you are going to be asking me a key question, which is, what do I do with the items that I don't keep? Now, there are two different types of items that I don't keep. Either I get rid of some that are things that just need to be thrown away, that are things that are expired, or they just have gotten, like lip glosses get tacky, or eyeshadows or cream products start to kind of dry out. Those get thrown away. The other items that I have not had any desire to keep are given to my friends, my nieces, to people I know that will get joy from them and enjoy them because they might not have had them for any other reason. So part of what kind of inspired me to do this is I am trying to get back into testing out new products. Specifically, we all know I have always loved, if you've been with me for any period of time, I love testing new foundations. So that being said, please check out my most recent video where I review the Tarte found a clear, found a sealer, I never know how to say that, video. And I go through and test it out for a day or two. And if you are more here for the style and fashion side of it, I do have a recent video that is over here, if you click that right there, all about skinny jeans and different ways that I pair them with shoes for the fall and winter. And if you're not yet subscribed, click that little picture of me right down there and follow along as well. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching and sticking with me, and have a great day. Bye.